Hello everyone, in this video I will review DANEW Pro Creatine Gummies. The DANEW Pro Creatine Gummies are made for people who want the strength and recovery benefits of creatine, but in more fun and simple form. Instead of mixing powders or carrying shakers, you just chew the gummies whenever it's convenient. They taste sweet, almost like candy, so it doesn't feel like taking a supplement at all. Each gummy contains a solid amount of creatine to help support muscles growth and energy during workouts. Regular use can help with better performance in the gym, especially in strength and endurance training. Many uses like that, they don't upset the stomach the way some creatine powders can. The gummy format also makes it easier to stay consistent because you look forward to taking them. They're travel-friendly and can be carried in a bag or pocket without any mess. The brand promotes them as being quickly absorbed, so you feel the benefit without delay. They can be useful not only for bodybuilders but also for casual gym goers and athletes. Another plus is that they cut out the need of mixing with sugary drinks or loading phases. However, you don't need to take the right summer of gummies to hit your daily dose. Some people may find them a little bit pricier compared to basic creatine powders. Still, the convenience, taste, and ease of use make them worth it for many. Overall, DANEW Pro Creatine Gummies are smart, enjoyable, and effective way to get creatine into your routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.